process of coir and coir products. We are starting from the Centre Coir Research Institute, which is located in Alappuzha.
Coir is the natural fiber used since centuries. This is extracted from coconut palm trees. Our Kerala is the only state has got the name from a crop.
Coir making is one of the earliest and traditional occupations of Kerala. In 1859, two Irish traders, James Dara and Henry Ismail, founded India's first coir making factory in Alappuzha. In the early days, the coir making was primarily done by hand, and as the world became aware of these eco-friendly products and the immense possibilities of a simple coir, the world started adapting and evolving to the latest technologies and machineries.
Let's see the journey of coir starting from a small village of Kerala to international markets.
Coir, a natural fiber from coconut husks, has been in high demand globally for centuries, with Kerala being the pioneer in developing coir factories. The state's name itself, Keralam, comes from the Malayalam words Kera and Alam, highlighting the close connection between the region and this versatile fiber. Alappuzha serves as the heart of Kerala's thriving coir industry, providing employment to over 1 million people. The journey of coir begins with the harvesting of mature coconuts, followed by extracting the fiber from the husk through a process called retting, where the husks are soaked in water for several months to loosen the fibers. The loosened fibers are separated using machines, cleaned, dried, and processed into brown or white coir. The brown coir from mature coconuts is used for durable products like mats and ropes, while white coir from immature coconuts is softer and used in products like mattresses. Coir is then transformed into various goods, including mats, mattresses, brushes, and erosion control products. The finished coir mats are packaged appropriately and distributed to domestic and global markets or retailers. Due to its eco-friendly and biodegradable properties, coir is a sustainable alternative to synthetic materials, contributing to green practices like compostable packaging and erosion control. At the end of its life, coir can be composed, further supporting its role in a circular economy and environmental sustainability.
Have you guys ever imagined that the simple coir mat we use at our home had so much to tell? Oh, we have never imagined it until we visited the Centre Coir Research Institute that's located at Alappuzha. It was indeed an enriching experience to know about India's one of the oldest industry.
The word coir comes from the Kerala word kaya, which means twisted. We were able to visualize, touch, and hear the journey of our coir and coir products. Understanding the logistics and supply chain management aspect of this incredible golden fiber was one of the best aspects that we can enjoy from our journey. It was indeed, without a doubt, the most rewarding aspect of this entire journey.
We were indeed very happy and proud to share this beautiful story to all of you.
as you can see in this slide, coir industry contributes significantly to the economy of India. India accounts for more than 2/3 of the global exports of coir and coir products. Global annual coir production is about 350,000 metric tons.
Kerala accounts for the 85% of the coir products. India produces coir fiber, yarn, mattings, mats, rugs, non-woven products, geotextiles, pits, and other coir products. The coir industry employs about 5.5 lakh of people in the country.
Now, looking at the export scenario, we can understand that India's top export partners are USA, China, Netherlands, South Korea, Spain, and they contribute to around 70% of our global exports.
Within these exporting countries, coir yarn, tuft mats, coir pits, and handloom mats contributes 94% of the export basket, and rest 6% is other 10 varieties.
This is a pie chart of our export share of coir, and the major part is actually contributed by coir pits, which is actually a byproduct of our coir making.
It is followed by the tuft mat with 17.5%, and then comes the coir fiber with around 14%. The rest 30% is contributed by other products, which includes handloom mat, coir geotextiles, etc.
In the fiscal year 1968 to 69, the export was only around 14 crore rupees, and it rose to a massive 4,300 crore rupees in the fiscal year 2022 to 23.
By the year 2029 to 30, we can expect the export value to be around 8,500 crore Indian rupees.
So, as you all seen just now, the Indian industry is booming to a massive new heights, and as a logistician, it's a best opportunity, and I am myself proud to be a part of this journey.
I hope all of you had an enriching experience of this wonder fiber. Thank you.
As a token of appreciation, we would like to present a small memento to these students. I invite Mr. Mohan Menon to present the memento to Ujjwal Unni, Nita N, and Hari C.R.